Welcome! In this video I'm going to show you how to manually transfer content to a VR headset and view it using EZ360. For this video I'm going to use the Oculus Go. This is one of the most popular headsets to show 360 content on. Before we get started, let's connect it with our PC using the micro USB cable. Now that our headset has been plugged in, open the File Explorer, go to this PC, then go to VR headset, open the internal storage, and if you have EZ360 installed, the EZ360 folder will be right here. Open this. Now if you have a custom background or a custom logo, these need to go in the Images folder, but our content needs to go in the Videos folder. So open the Video folder and just select, drag and drop your videos right here. I'm transferring two videos right now. The first video, diving video, is a monoscopic 360 video, and that's all okay, that's the standard. But the traffic time-lapse video is a stereoscopic top-bottom video, and for EZ360 to display it correctly, we need to tell it that it's a top-bottom video. So we're going to change the name by right-clicking, rename, and we have to add an underscore and TB for top-bottom. Now there are a few of these name changes that you need to do for specific content, and I will add them to this video, but you can also find them below in the description of this video. And that's all you need to do for manually transferring content and viewing it with EZ360. If you haven't already, create your EZ360 account today. We have different plans, including a free plan, and if you have custom needs, please reach out to us. Thank you for watching.